What's up, YouTube? Dark Soul Cards coming at you today with a random pack opening. We have 1 pack of Generation Force, 2 packs of Order of Chaos, and 1 Storm of Ragnarok. And I'm going to jump right into this real quick with Storm of Ragnarok. Alright. Oh, Thor, Lord of the Azar. Nice. Pretty cool. Ultra. And a Scrap Worm. That's a reprint. Huh. Alright, so pretty cool. Hollow right off the bat. If I could pull a card B, that'd be amazing. I'd like flip. Ooh, another hollow, Darkstorm Dragon. I pull him a lot from Order of Chaos. Alright. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky, my camera's not very steady. Alright! All hollow so far. Twin Photon Lizard. I wonder if it's going to become any good. Doubt it, but you never know. With the new Photon support, it might become good. Alright, so 3 out of 3 hollow so far. Hollow? Yes. Come on, that'd be hollow. Oh, just a rare. Alright. Well, these are my 3 hollow cards. I got Twin Photon Lizard, Darkstorm Dragon, and Thor, Lord of the Azar. Alright, YouTube, check out my Facebook page, my eBay, and my other videos on YouTube. And this is Dark Soul Cards, fading out.